It's a 2012 Toyota Tundra. This full-size pickup offers protection with its rollover sensors, anti-lock brakes, and an anti-skid system. Heavy duties will be efficiently accommodated with its power and handling. Other accommodations include a tilt and telescoping steering wheel and heated mirrors.
Protect your truck from dings and dents with the bed liner. Have fun behind the wheel with a V8 engine under the hood. Heated mirrors improve visibility in frosty weather.
Go big or go home. In this case, go home big in this pickup today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.